Welcome back to my new video. This is going to be another exciting video on n8n, and we are again going to build a AI agent, right? And this AI agent job is to automate desktop user desktop, especially Windows desktop. Why? Because I'm using PowerShell server to execute the code generated by the AI agent, right? So this is the workflow. If you see, user will ask AI agent in natural language to automate his or her desktop related tasks, right? So AI agent will create a PowerShell script and it will wait for user confirmation. Once the user confirms, it will call my PowerShell server, which is nothing but C# minimal API server, and that has only one route, that is execute code route, and it accepts post request, and in the request body it will accepts the PowerShell script. It creates the PowerShell script dynamically and execute the script and respond back the output, both stdout and error from the execution, right? So enough of this theory part. I will discuss that also, and I will show my PowerShell server. Let me start my PowerShell server. Okay, this is the code. So don't worry, I have already uh, pushed this code to my GitHub. So this is my GitHub. This is my GitHub profile, and this is my repo. Okay, so you can go to this GitHub URL. I will share this in the YouTube description also. Okay, so I have shared the code. As of now, I have not built the authentication, but you get the idea, right? So you can build authentication on authorization also, right? So let me go back to the workflow. Okay. Okay, our AI agent is ready to chat. Okay, let's ask, get me CPU, disk, and RAM usage, and all in percentage. Okay, so I have asked it to get me CPU, disk, and RAM usage, right? So basically, what it will do, it will create a, if you look at this, it will create a PowerShell script based on the user prompt, right? So I prompted it, and it already created me the script, right? So it is asking whether this script is okay. Okay. So I say okay, yes, go ahead. It's saying that script. This is what script will do, and would you like me to execute this script? I will say yes. Okay. If I say no, it will not do. Okay. So it will go to the next stage, right? If you see, it has created the script, and it has asked for user confirmation. Now, since the user has confirmed, it will call the HTTP node tool, and the request will be sent to my PowerShell server. You can see I have received the request, and this is the code that is sent to my PowerShell server, and you can see PowerShell server has already completed the execution. Okay, so I should have got the response back. Okay, so this is the response, right? So it is saying that this is your CPU usage, this much your RAM usage, and this is your C drive or whatever. Okay, get me my C and D drive usage all in percentage. Okay, so again I have asked it. So let it complete that. It will again, what it will do, it will generate the PowerShell script and ask for my confirmation that it did. Okay, so okay, I say okay, go ahead. Okay, so I should take that as affirmative response and start executing. Let's see whether it started. Yeah, it started. So my PowerShell server got the script and it will execute. So let me go to the flow meanwhile. So this is our n8n workflow. You can see our trigger is our chat message and AI agent node, and that is connected to our LLM Google Gemini chat model, and the LLM that I am using is Google Gemini Flash 2.5. Okay, the free version, and simple memory, to have a longer conversation, so it will hold the context, whatever the conversation between human and AI. right? And this is the tool that I was talking about. And so this is just a HTTP tool. Okay. So this is calling my PowerShell server, and this is the endpoint that I'm meeting, and this is the response body. Okay. So this is what I'm saying it. So whatever PowerShell script generated from my AI agent, and it should put that in code body parameter, right? So that is what my PowerShell server is expecting from it. Okay, and this is where the magic happens. Let me open. This is the summary of it. Sorry, system message, and this is where the magic happens. As you know, whatever system prompt you give to your AI assistant or AI agent, it basically restricts all its action. It plans and act accordingly whatever you have given in system message, right? So I will share this in my blog, and also I will mention the description, my blog description, in the YouTube description. Okay. So I hope that is good. Okay, let's see. Okay, here I asked for what did I ask for? I asked for get my C and D drive usage all in percentage. It gave some script. I said yes, go ahead, and it executed the script, and here is the output, right? So I got my C and D drive all in GB and also in percentage. You see, use percentage this much. Okay. So you can pretty much do any task of automating your desktop, and you can extend this to remote desktop also if you want. But the idea is we can do much more with AI agent with less resource, right? So I don't have to learn any of the PowerShell script, right? All I did is set up my AI agent and set up my server, PowerShell server, that actually execute the PowerShell code generated by AI agent. I hope you would have found this very useful and interesting. I hope you would like this. And if you have liked it, please don't forget to leave your comments. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. Thank you.